can only see half the steering wheel, then I'm sorry. Trying to figure something out. Only here. And this mount doesn't adjust all the way. It adjusts to some degree, but not all the way. Okay, this is a school zone, so I gotta go easy. 15 miles per hour, y'all. Again, I gotta like literally look down for y'all to see the whole steering wheel. Sorry, people. We're trying to get to work on time today. Let me roll the window down. I don't know if you guys can hear. Installing it and I ended up breaking one of the mount, so oh yeah, we're rubbing. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but drift event today in Jersey. I hope you guys are going. Some of you guys, I hope y'all going. I hope some of y'all going. Oh snap. There's some things that I forgot to attach. Shoot. told me my tail light was out. Turns out my tail light's not out. He's like, oh, your tail light is out. I was like, okay, let me go to the back of the car, let me step on the brake. You tell me if the tail light is out. I stepped on the brake. He's like, oh, it's working. You know, it just looked like it was out. I was like, come on, man. Y'all just be pulling people over just because they drive a BMW. This is a cheap BMW. This is nothing. Like, this joint is cheap. I paid, what, $1,000 for this? It was cheap. Nothing luxurious about it. It's not crazy. It actually looks terrible in its raw form. It looks crazy. But cops, shit, I rubbed. Cops love BMWs. So BMW's a police magnet, I guess. Nowhere to park once again. There's never any parking at this place. People gotta double park every morning. Ambulances going around. Do we have a spot here? I can't see. I don't think we do. Can we fit? Can we fit back here? I don't know. I'm just gonna end the video here.
But you make it, my shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making.